in seminal at the Abramo. Crojin Fini home. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here channel Nasia. Bonsi actual subscribe. No hete. Amame na amaye. Jumediana edi wahana konenim. Then you drop your comment. Now there's this news that is coming. Officially, Minyan team free any member of Aduana Stars leadership. Minyan te, but a blogger in the Brown region and I make this report said the leadership of Aduana say Omufili say Accra-based teams no Asante Kotoko to win the Ghana Premier League. It's a very interesting conversation, and I'm using the bloggers report. Now, young person Kenya say acquire Accra teams, i.e. Legon Cities, Kotoko and Great Olympics. Afa so a conduct in their matches or mobile home against Kotoko. Amama Kotoko enya added advantage, as a omo bua Kotoko amo magic league, Now let's say something small to the leadership of Aduana Stars. It is understandable when you see your opponent and your competitor having what we call added advantage, because Kotoko playing Legon Cities was another advantage, and yet the home grounds of Legon Cities, because mostly they operate at the Elwak Sports Stadium, Tenyomo grounds, and then Kotoko that comfort. Playing hard to folk Kumasi, no matter what. In as much as a house home, Kotoko will get the comfort as compared to Senkaobo, Accra, or even Cape Coast. Playing Olympics at Babaya Sports Stadium, similar instance now the Bemano. But the three reasons in T, you can say, Okasa Assembly is one. Asante Kotoko did not design the calendar. Seka Kotoko na calendar and they decided to the matches in December. Because now, for one reason or the other, a sports stadium near engage, then you can raise question. But the league, the calendar was not designed by Asante Kotoko. Even critically, so analyze the calendar now. What you realize that Enka Kotoko has Accra. Now we have Olympics Accra back-to-back away games against the two teams in Accra, which a potential blow for Asante Kotoko. Say Odiwe League first round. Because Senka head there is a Kotoko last 4 matches a Kotoko first round. Has away, Olympics away, RT home, and Bofakwatano away. 3 top games. The calendar no. Kaosha Crank and someone. 2. Kotoko did not work with the National Sports Authority to close the Accra Sports Stadium and the Elwak Sports Stadium. The Elwak in the impending for military, for more preparation for December. And Kotoko did not design that. Even time I bet to just a house, Bekumasi or Kotoko Chita for Krano Musuru. Say house for no bar and your mom baby Gugu Park. So those spiritual battles, I'm sorry, how be you in that. Maybe Asante Kotoko Krano. Baba and now she cry at Diamo. So they were Kotoko fans gonna manage. But we team common. So I don't see the advantage here. And your Kotoko ne to Accra Sports Stadium. And Opamo Accra teams, and your Kotoko ne to Elwak no Opamo Legon Cities. And 3, Kotoko did not tell the Accra teams to bring their matches to Kumasi. And there is no guarantee so be a ball match with whom Abeshano. Teams are winning Legon Cities ball Elwak Minana. A ball Sugako Penana or Motivation Legon Cities. Currently, as we are speaking, Legon Cities form are picking about that 8th position. So beating Legon Cities at Sugako is not easy. Beating any teams are not feel lose. Aduana stayed home and lose to Accra Lions. Which feel lose to Accra Lions. Ndika Kotoko betimi atene lose to us. There's no guarantee so we be home our. So those conversations, I just don't want to believe that the officials of Ediana will publicly say that. But it's a blogger that I trust when it comes to the report. And Amunjaika, na enye easy. If not China Kotoko Olympics, I can confidently tell every Kotoko fan, say, wow, our match and they say a simple win. It's a very difficult game for Asante Kotoko. Enti Omunjai ansem neka. Why? Na emfatomo. Why? Now let's move straight to actions and then in some no doors pa. Had to folk etiminya a draw against Nations FC. So now House was 17 points, whilst Nation was 24. And this leave room for Kotoko to really move up. If they are beating Great Olympics or China. One, Bekum Chelsea call RTU. RTU, that 16th position relegation zone, they need this win badly. Because on the last 4 matches, on lose 3. There's a RTU or Timisi form. Johnny Chelsea. If RTU is beating Chelsea, Chelsea remain at 23. The chairman lose that the nation is about drawing Swaterman called Accra Lions. Na Samates Ababe BNE. So probably Kotoko with the potential of moving to the 3rd position. If only they can beat a year Olympics. That's in Swaterman Kolusua. Kotoko can move to the 3rd position. From the 7th position to the 3rd position, possibly. Depending on a defeat. Sebrekum Chelsea lose na in Swatre lose. Kotoko short now with me back 3rd. So you see the dynamics. And you have RTU at home, then you have Bofo. Empty operation 6/6. So home. No complacency, especially to Richmond Lamte. Or non American Sassem actually. Lamte or China Nipa Baba help. And that Nations game number boy, man of the match was Salif Ibrahim. And if you don't know the discussions, and yet Lamte Nkwana man for Unzi and Fan people also calling for Salif Ibrahim from the House of Folk Quarters. Just that omo performance nko yenti I am called the omo pen intina masa am komono ewo form. So they are also calling for Salif and the man of the match. But China all eyes on Richmond Lamte. Lamte need to deliver. So my boy near come. And yet any extraordinary performance. And yes, all eyes on you. No now before swatch a chain now. No. Keep it simple like you've been doing. And football is about getting the simple things right, getting the basics right. Goalkeeper, movement, position, reflexes, diving, and get those things right. So Lamte need to get it right. Awareness now when it comes to the control, appreciation of space, and how it means spotting the movement of Kotoko players and deliver excellent passes. Not the onion is and yes, a change of the force why assist. People are saying Lamte, yeah, saying to the force why. No, just keep it simple. Yes, Lamte, no, over force why, but short to be now about the fan chain. No, that is not right. Keep it simple like you've been doing. But they just keep on creating the chances. Now, you share the better us because the call said Lamte Beko Afcon. I can't just 3 games. Now, if you can maintain performance against Hearts, or even improve it, every man common is simple. So that is to Richmond Lamte. Or China no complacency. Because Olympics game, from say heading pa. From say match and heading. It's not going to be an easy game for Asante Kotoko. Because open club back one with Team Asante Kotoko Olympics can. Don't forget that last year Olympics Eshe Kotoko 2-0 wow home. And I'm not Kotoko ball draw baba. So what it means is that last year Olympics picked 4 points out of 6 from Kotoko. So when ne baba so muani eda hopa. Enti Lamte wo so hon komo no na emboama omo a wo mo gidi se esese ukọ Afcon no bo omo ma omo komo no entimi nkoyie. Now let's come to the 20-man squad for Asante Kotoko in tomorrow's game. Mama league table ni permutations ni BBR. So let's come to the No Danlad. From what I'm picking, no Danlad. Still a Japan and team no Ben Asomwa is still out of the team. Shadrach Ado is still out. Julius Oforizigi is still out of the team. And I'm picking say Eric Zeze based on 20-man squad and is also out of the team. Kotoko team no crowd sha. So Kotoko waiting about Danlad goalkeeper Japan. No amount Nicholas. No amount Dawuni Yaya. Omo we chiri ho. No Shisheba Richmond Opokumu no the Omo Shisheba. Kotoko team. Goalkeeper Muiz Poite Frederick Asare as the two goalkeepers for Asante Kotoko. Omona Emeki. We have the possible lineup never train me. Justice Blay, Prince Adasan, and Peter Aminu Aqua as players from the right side. Maybe both right over. Inti Blay, Adasan, Peter Aminu Aqua. Enoch Morrison. Na Nana Benyini Amwa and John Tedeku also on the left side. Na Sharif Mohammed Justice Blade, Mabo Blade, okay. So Sharif Mohammed, Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin. Guess and come the Blake center backs, no, pardon me for that. So my man started Poite Asare, Peter Aminu Aqua, and Prince Adasa. The two right wing backs, left wing backs, Enoch Morrison, John Tedeku, Nana Benyini Amwa. Center backs, Justice Blade, Sharif Mohammed, Henry Ansu, and Yusuf Nuruddin. I'm on the center backs. Defensive midfielders. Rocky Jamana, Sharif Mohammed Andrews, Intim Menu, and Michael Che Jamana. Wemo NAA defensive midfielders. Offensive midfielders, Baba Yaya, na wenya Richmond Lamte. Na makacho se Eric Zeze enka team no. And attackers no Abrantia, your friend George Fegi, Steve Kuala, and Isaac Opon. Wemo ene Kotoko. Players are aware nim ho a mo besi akan ede ama Kotoko. Now based on training, you see decided say mostly training grounds reporting the Bremo memeneda. So based on training, Kotoko possible lineup no enie. Goalkeeping department, menka ho asem. Menka goalkeeping department ho asem. The meaning is a net technical meeting bi bekoso. And we around 7 ewo Kotoko omo hotel ho. And that would be a factor in deciding who will be the goalkeeper for Asante Kotoko. The goalkeeping department, no comment. But Peter Aminu Aqua is starting. Enoch Morrison is starting. Justice Blay, Henry Ansu, Sharif Mohammed. Omunyina started. Now, when ya Sharif Mohammed, no Sharif ana. So Blay Ansu Nuruddin, BAN no Omuabebo. Now when ya Sharif Mohammed Babaya Richmond Lamte, Isaac Opon, Steve Mukwala. For what I'm picking from training grounds and normally training and opano and the team they will not touch it. The technical team has decided not to touch the Asante Kotoko team. And it is extremely likely say Emrantie na omobo against Hassan omo and na ebesi akan against Tima, their friend Great Olympics. There will be no changes. Our team is still a 3-5-2 system. But now you are getting players like George Mfigo on the bench. You are getting Nana Benyini Amwa, John Tedeku, Prince Adasa. Now when you beat say Michael Che Jamana Andrews in Timenu, Rocky Jamana on the bench for Kumase Asante Kotoko. No AED floor bar mete mount. Enti Kotoko nsemno a ene yabo ano no yabo no do so po ɛda wobɛsom so wobɛ TV de aka mu bia no channel pa kɛn 8 na yɛtum nkyene ɛde details aka no ɛde aba ɛnɛ no transfer news ɛnɛ no transfer news ɔkyena yɛde transfer news na aka no ɛde ne nyinaa bɛbrɛ nyame nka mo bye bye